Okay, look at this. A real professional landing page, a bold hero, a row of feature cards, a full pricing table, all of it. It's for a little habit app called Nova, and honestly, it looks like a startup paid a designer good money to make it. But here's the thing, I built this entire page in about 2 minutes, and I never touched a single line of code. I just opened an AI, talked to it like a person, and told it what I wanted. Let me show you exactly how, start to finish, because you can absolutely do this too. Here's the whole trick. I open this tool called Claude Code inside a completely empty folder. There is literally nothing in it, and I type what I want in plain English, like I'm texting a friend. I said, build me a landing page for a habit app called Nova. Give it a hero section, some feature cards, a pricing section, and a footer, and make it look like a real startup. That is the entire instruction. No code, no jargon. I just hit enter. And it goes to work. Watch the screen, it is writing the whole thing by itself. The layout, the dark theme, the purple colors, the spacing, the little icons, hundreds of lines of code, and I am not touching any of it. This is the part that feels almost unfair the first time you see it. About a minute ago, this folder was completely empty. And now it's telling me it's finished. It built a nav bar, a hero, the feature cards, a 3-tier pricing table, and a footer. All of it. So let's actually open it up in the browser. And there it is. Look at that hero. The big headline. Build habits that actually stick. The glowing purple button right underneath. And it is not just the top. Scroll down and you get 4 real feature cards, each with its own icon. Streak tracking, smart reminders, progress charts. Every single piece of this came out of that one sentence I typed. And it keeps going. Keep scrolling and there's a complete pricing section. 3 tiers, free, $8 and $20. With the most popular plan highlighted in purple, exactly the way every real product page does it. Then a proper footer at the very bottom with all the little links. This is a finished, genuinely professional landing page, and it came from talking. And that is the whole thing. A real landing page, no code, a couple of minutes, just by describing what I wanted out loud. So, if you have got an idea for a website sitting in your head right now, this is genuinely how you put it on a screen. I make one of these every few days. Real things built with AI, no code, explained for complete beginners. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.